The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, floor mats, aluminum wheels, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, trip computer. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.